Hello! I bought some Amiibo cards because I wanted to, I guess for a future video, pick a card and that's the clay project I'll make. So also, I just wanted to get Amiibo cards and hopefully get the villagers I want. So I'll do a little opening of all this series. I only got one per series. 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. So let's start with 1. Okay, we got Goose. Goose. Clyde. Interesting. I've never seen it before. Interesting. Pudge. Nox. Oh my gosh, I got 2 chickens. Blue Bear! Ooh, okay, I like this one. I mean, she's not a dreamy, but I approve. Then I got a holographic Rossetti. Nice. I think that's okay. Series 2. Why does it feel hard to open this? Okay, I did a little bit better job. Maybe I should just face down. Yeah, I'll do face down this time. And we have... Okay, Isabel is our special NPC card. Prince. Oh my gosh. I don't mind him. Oh, Phoebe! I like her. Any bird character I'm totally okay with. Ooh, Zell. I heard he's popular, but I don't remember. Alright. Benedict. Oh my gosh, I have a lot of freaking chicken characters. Okay, and then Gladys. Ooh. Wait, I actually like Gladys though. Heck yes. They're not my dreamies yet, but I approve of the cards. I don't mind. Series 3. Our NPC card. Franklin! Thanksgiving's coming up. Ooh. A cutie. Tabby. Not really a fan, but it's okay. Next one. Spork. I actually haven't seen him before. This is my first time seeing him, but he looks really cute in this. I don't mind. Next one. Ava! I'm having a lot of chickens in this one. What is happening? Biscuit! I love Biscuit! Okay. I mean, still not a dreamy, but I don't mind. The last one. Maple! Okay. Heck yes. We'll get her. Yes! She's not a dreamy either, but I don't mind her either. Nice. This is going pretty well. Series 4. Feel so bad opening these. NPC card first. Okay. Katrina. Look at the holographic. Can you focus? Focus. Ooh. Oh my, I feel lucky. Heck yes. She's not a dreamy either, but I like her too. Okay, Puddles. Next one. Mira. Tank. The last one. Nibbles. Okay. I think I got some pretty good cards. Out of my favorites, so I think Goldie's a favorite. Maple, Biscuit. I think Zell's fine too. Oh, I like these birds. Oh yeah, Blue Bear. Over here. Yeah. I still feel like I got lucky with the cards I got, so yeah. So what I'm going to do is, for a video eventually, I would mix all the cards, shuffle them or whatever. I will draw one, and that's the character I will make a clay figure on. That's an idea, but I want to follow through with it. So that's all I got. One day I would like to have a Julian card. I don't know how easily I could get my hands on a Marshall card, but for sure I want a Julian amiibo card, like physically, just because, I don't know, now that I have some sort of collection, I want to grow my collection. But anyways, this is a short video, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next clay video. This is just a bonus video that I wanted to do. See you next time. Goodbye.